Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Figo's infotainment to accessory or run so the system can search for devices. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and leave it in discoverable mode. This allows the car to see it. Make sure the phone screen stays on and any cellular calls are paused, because interruptions can cancel pairing. You'll also want both devices close, about arm's reach, and the car in park. This prevents errors and keeps pairing fast and secure. Next, use the Figo's sync or infotainment menu to choose Add Device or Bluetooth pairing. You do this so the car actively scans for nearby phones. Then, when your phone appears, tap it and compare the PIN displayed on both screens. Confirm matching numbers to authenticate the connection. After confirming, accept prompts to grant contacts and media access. This step enables hands-free calling and music playback. If you see multiple entries, pick the one labeled with your phone's name to avoid pairing the wrong device. Finish by setting your phone as the primary device in the Bluetooth settings if you want automatic connections. This is useful when more than one phone uses the car. Then immediately test by placing a short call and playing a music clip so you verify microphone and audio routing work correctly. If the system won't pair, power cycle your phone and the car's infotainment. Then try again. This simple restart clears temporary Bluetooth cache or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.